Hi, I'm Alex Pault, and I'd like to welcome you to another episode of Talking Timepieces, where we talk about watch collecting and horology. Today, I've got a fascinating piece. It is this humongous 65 millimeter Flieger watch, vintage homage from Messerschmitt, made by Aristo. Aristo makes Messerschmitt watches, and it's a really interesting piece that harkens back to older era of pilot's watches. Let's turn the camera around and get a close-up look at this. Okay, here we are with the Messerschmitt by Aristo, 6.5 centimeter pilot's watch. It is really a nice looking piece. If you had something that didn't tip the scale, as in the scale of the watch, sitting, for example, just on a surface like that, you wouldn't know. If a picture like that, you would say, nice looking, well balanced, clean face, nice watch. Oh my God, that thing is huge. This is a 42 millimeter. This is actually also made by Aristo. We'll have a review on this as well. But I mean, just to look at the difference between the two pieces in size is notable, right? The Beobachtungsuhr, as it was called, was made for pilots during World War II because the view and visibility in those cockpits weren't all that great. I mean, it's not like they had panel lights that were really well, highly illuminating. Besides, you didn't want to have night blindness in the cockpit. You couldn't have lights, especially if you're night fighting or night flying, or even in low light conditions. So pilots' watches in those days were huge to make them easily legible. And the German Flieger design, they put this little triangle with the points so that you can orient yourself to the top of the watch if you're at extreme angles and really were disoriented about where your arm is, how high the plane is, what angle you're at. That's what I meant by how high your angle of attack was. You can't tell altitude on this thing, but all of the things involving knowing what time it is during important, sweaty, high stress level combat, you wanted a watch that you just glance at and see the time. Now, this is vintage inspired. This isn't an original vintage, but they do have like a military nomenclature stamp on the back, or laser etch. And it says 5 bar. Edelstahl means stainless steel, made in Germany. And it's Beobachtungsuhr, right? So it's got a Ronda R150 movement in it. The Ronda 150 is an ETA 2824 work-alike. They call this the ME65 from Messerschmitt 65. And it says Hersteller means the manufacturer is Messerschmitt. Although, as I had mentioned, Aristo actually makes this watch. They also hold the Messerschmitt name, or it might even be the case that Messerschmitt's in the public domain, but essentially Aristo makes this watch, it calls it the Messerschmitt, and it's based on the old German pilot style. Now, I said 65, but I want to show you, that it really is this is a humongous piece. Turn it on, off and on, make sure it's nice and zeroed. And we've got 65 millimeters on this thing. 6.5 centimeter piece. Like I said, here's a 42 for comparison. And 42 is a pretty big piece. But the 65 dwarfs it. Let's put it on the wrist and see what it looks like. Wristwatch check, I'm wearing my Seamaster GMT. I have it on an Aquaterra rubber strap, it takes a bit of finagling to get it on the Aquaterra rubber strap. I had to use curved pin bars. But once the spring pins are seated, it does work. And I think it looks good, the Aquaterra strap on the Seamaster. So It almost looks a little bit on the clown side, unless you're thinking about, why you're wearing it. And of course, if this was strapped to the outside of a flight suit, the flight suit would also be a much thicker arm. It wouldn't look that much out of balance. Like imagine if I had my sweatshirt down and everything, it wouldn't look as bulky if I had strapped it over the outside of my jacket. This is one of the kind of watches you probably get away with strapping to the outside of your clothing, which is normally a watch wear taboo. But this one was pretty much designed to be strapped to the outside of your flight clothing. So having it like I said, you could say it's comically large, but it was built for a purpose, and it's still a useful, functional, and aside from the size, a well-presented piece. And I bought it. I actually use it as a desk clock. What I do is I have it on my TV table underneath my television set, and I get these stupid keepers, and I slide this under the keeper, and I do it like that, and I use it as a desk clock in my living room. So it is a functional clock. Why not use it? So that's the Aristo / Messerschmitt 65 millimeter piece. It's got a Ronda, Swiss-made automatic inside, and made in Germany. So that was the Messerschmitt 65 millimeter pilot's watch. Humongous piece, but interesting. And like I said, I'm glad I have it in the collection, at least as a novelty. You take care and have a great day.